Welcome back to the Stratosphere, and as we all know, it's up and running. So the good news is time for more driving videos and more camera angles and some different roads, right? So I had invested in this rather gruesome looking clamping device. Actually, it's not as bad as it looks. We're going to be trying it there on the front wheel arch. We might try it here on the actual window frame to get you a kind of driver's eye view, and we might try it here as well on that bit there. Where should we go? Well, there's a little town west of here called Jerome, which is up in the mountains. It's an old mining town, ghost town, now inhabited by artists and piss artists, I think. nice little run down at the post office and UPS to deliver the mail and pick up the mail and that kind of thing after the snow had melted, and yeah, damn cold. Cold enough for gloves even. Anyway, yeah, ran well again. Very pleased with everything. Couple of new camera angles there. I'm not sure that the one on the front wing, front fender works particularly well. I won't bother using that one again, but yeah, still exploring. So I think that's it for this time around. More camera angles next time. Yes. Hopefully these driving videos will be coming thick and fast. Now it's back on the road. So thanks as always for watching. And of course, do tune in again, in which case, if you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere. And of course, give the video the thumbs up. And do encourage others to watch my lunacy.